What's up, y'all? So I'm back. I'm about to do a Bantu knot out on my hair. So my hair was blown out. I was wearing a braid out and that turned into this. So the products that I will be using will be some water with some aloe vera juice. I'm also going to be using the Melanin Haircare Twist Elongating Style Cream. And then the oil blend. And that's it. Just massaging my scalp. I'm gonna just get my last stand hour really quick and I'll be right back. So I put the Twist Elongating Style Cream in my hair first. No, I sprayed it with water. Then I put the Twist Elongating Style Cream in there. And then I put the oil on top of that. And I finger detangled. And then I went and used the comb. So now for the Bantu knot out, I'm just wrapping my hair around itself and pulling down as I go. I haven't done this in years. The last time I had a Bantu knot out was like 2017. Oh wow. So when my hair was shorter, it was easier. This is actually kind of difficult. And I'm just going and wrapping, twisting and wrapping, twisting. If it's too tight, I'm twisting it the other way and wrapping, twisting and wrapping. And there we are. One down. Oh Lord, these are small. I wonder how long this is going to take. We're going to skip ahead and I'll show y'all how I do even more when I get to the front of my head, because y'all ain't going to be able to see what I'm doing. Alright, so I just wanted to show you all the sections and the parts that I was doing in my hair, because I know when I was first going natural, that really helped me a lot. So I'm just doing this, hope it helps. And those little particles you saw is just some old Eco Styler. Some water will make it go away. So don't be alarmed.
And you're like, how?
I've never felt that.
This feels like a lot. So thick. Okay, so I did this one, but this section is way too thick. So I'm going to do this one next, this section, and then probably break these up. Okay, so I really don't want a middle part, so I'm about to try to remove it. And now I'm just gonna take everything and part towards the front. Just reconsidering it all. Honestly, parting with a comb is so hard for me. So I use my fingers. Straight enough. Yeah. All right, so I'm just running through the process again. I just use the water and aloe vera juice. The aloe vera juice is very healthy for your hair. And then I use the twist elongating style cream and then the oil on top of that. And then I always try to finger detangle my hair before I go through it with the comb. And that way I can massage all of the knots out of my hair and not rip my hair out with the comb. When I was first going natural, I could twist my hair around itself and it would Bantu knot on its own, like the Bantu knot will form itself. But here I had to pinch at the root of my hair and then twist my hair around the base of that part, if that makes sense. Just do it the best way you can. Next time, I think when I do Bantu knots, I'm going to twist a little bit of the roots and then twist my hair around itself. You can twist your hair all the way down and then do a Bantu knot, but in my head, that's just too much work. That's like two styles in one for me. Like either one or the other. Either we're doing twists or we're going to do Bantu knots. But that's just me. So now I'm just going to be adding some castor oil to my edges. This is my favorite oil for my hair. It really helps to strengthen and it's good nourishment. And I'll definitely do a product video about all the products that I use on my hair soon. So stay tuned. So I'm back and I'm about to take these Bantu knots out. And I'm just twisting it and finding the strand, the last strand that I wrapped around. So after I unravel the Bantu knot, I try to separate my hair where it's already kind of separating. That way I'm not creating too much frizz, even though I like a little frizz to my hair, and then I twirl it back around itself just to reinforce the curl pattern.
noticed as I was taking them out, they weren't dry all the way. So make sure yours dry all the way. It will, I know I said I like frizz, but this was a little bit too much for me. I wanted it a little bit more defined. So just make sure your hair is dry all the way before you take them out. So with my hair dryer, I'm going to use the tension method to stretch out my hair a little bit because I was not feeling it. I have no idea where my pick is at, so I use my fingers to pick at my roots and just give me a little bit more fluff and volume. So I hope y'all can see the difference. At first I was not feeling it and I was like, I just wasted so much time. But after I started fluffing it out more and all that good stuff, I started liking it. So thanks for watching, you all. See you in the next video.